Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about naphthalene. Naphthalene is polynuclear hydrocarbons. So in today's lecture we will discuss about introduction to polynuclear hydrocarbons, introduction to naphthalene, synthesis of naphthalene, chemical reactions of naphthalene and medicinal uses of naphthalene. Polynuclear hydrocarbons, these are the aromatic hydrocarbons. The class of aromatic hydrocarbons containing multiple aromatic rings in which the electrons are delocalized are known as the polynuclear hydrocarbons. Right? Polynuclear hydrocarbons are nothing but the aromatic hydrocarbons, but it contains more than one ring, two or more aromatic ring. Right? Polynuclear hydrocarbons contain two or more aromatic rings. That's why they are aromatic hydrocarbons. The polynuclear hydrocarbons again can be divided into two groups. First one, those in which aromatic rings are isolated. Right? That means the rings are not directly fused, they are isolated. For example, diphenyl, diphenyl methane, etc. Diphenyl ring, that means two carbon atom from both phenyl ring, one carbon atom from both phenyl ring are attached with each other. Right? Diphenyl methane, that means two phenyl ring are attached with each other through one carbon. Right? Second one is those in which two or more rings are fused together. Right? Those in which two or more rings are fused together, generally through orthocarbons, right, are known as fused ring hydrocarbons, or also known as the condensed polynuclear hydrocarbons. For example, naphthalene, anthracene, phenanthrene, etc. Right? So two classes, one is one in which aromatic rings are isolated, and second class in which aromatic rings are fused with each other, right, fused together. And the tricyclic species like anthracene generally represent the starting number of the polynuclear hydrocarbons, right? While smallest molecule of aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene, is not considered as polynuclear hydrocarbon, right? Generally, polynuclear hydrocarbons are nonpolar and lipophilic in nature, right? So they are insoluble in water and soluble in organic compounds, right? Polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons molecules only contain carbon and hydrogen atoms because they are hydrocarbons, and as we know that hydrocarbons contain only carbon and hydrogen atoms, right? That's why these polynuclear hydrocarbons also contain only carbon and hydrogen atom, right? Then they are purely hydrocarbons, right? And derivatives of these hydrocarbons contain other atoms, but purely, for example, naphthalene, anthracene only contain carbon and hydrogen atoms, right? So first one is naphthalene. It is one of the largest constituents of coal tar, right? It can be obtained from the coal tar, right? It is the simplest fusing system. Naphthalene is colorless crystalline solid which melts at 80 degrees Celsius and sublimes on heating, right? It is insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, ether, benzene, etc. Nomenclature of different naphthalene derivatives, right? Simply, fused ring system is naphthalene as given here. This one is the naphthalene ring, right? It is the name of this ring system or it is also accepted by the IUPAC naphthalene, right? But when other groups are present, other atoms or groups are present on this naphthalene ring, then it can be nomenclatured by using the IUPAC nomenclature, right? By named, first one is 1-naphthol, right? Naphthalene ring having OH group at first position, that is 1-naphthol, also it is known as the alpha naphthol, right? Second one here is 2-naphthol, OH group is present here at second position, right? Numbering of the naphthalene given to the naphthalene is fixed. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? So here OH group is present at second position. Here it is not considered first position as like benzene. In benzene, what happened? The group which is attached to the carbon, that carbon considered as a first carbon, right? In benzene. But here, not like that. Here, position of the carbon or numbering of the carbon is fixed from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? So here OH group is considered as present on the second carbon, so 2-naphthol, right? And it is also known as the beta-naphthol. Here another molecule that is substituted naphthalene ring, in which one OH3 group, that is methoxy group, and one NO2 group present on the ring, right? So here also methoxy is considered at first position and nitro group present on the fourth position, right? That's why 1-methoxy, 4-nitronaphthalene. Another example, in this, on naphthalene ring, 2 bromo group are present, right? So position of the bromo group is 1 and 8 at one first position, and another is at 8th position, right? That's why 1,8 dibromonaphthalene, right? So nomenclature of, during giving the nomenclature of naphthalene, keep in mind that numbering of the carbon in naphthalene ring is fixed, right? 1 to 8 is fixed. It is not considered first carbon on which principal functional group is present, as we seen in benzene, right? Here positions of the all carbon 1 to 8 are fixed. Then synthesis of naphthalene. Naphthalene can be synthesized by using the different methods like Hayward synthesis, fitting reaction from 4-phenyl-butene. So let's see one by one. First one is Hayward synthesis, in which benzene react with succinic anhydride and presence of aluminium chloride and form 3-benzoyl propionic acid. First step is nothing but the Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene, right? Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene, right? Here in succinic anhydride, this CO bond is broken down, and that's why electron of the bond moves on the oxygen. That's why this carbon become positively charged and form the electrophile, right? Now this positively charged carbonyl carbon, this positively charged carbonyl carbon attack on the benzene ring, right? And protonation of this O minus negatively charged oxygen atom form the carboxylic acid group, right? So it formed the 3-benzoyl propanoic acid. See, consider here this propanoic acid group considered as a basic structure, right? On this propanoic acid, this benzoyl group is substituted, right? So this long chain of acid is of 3 carbon, that's why propanoic acid, and on the first, second and third carbon, this whole group, ring having CO group is present, right? That's why this one is the benzoyl group, so that 3-benzoyl propanoic acid, right? So first step is simply Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene, right? Benzene react with succinic anhydride in presence of aluminum chloride and form 3-benzoyl propanoic acid. Here succinic anhydride is acylating agent which provide the acyl group to the benzene, right? So now reduction of this 3-benzoyl propanoic acid, right? By Clemmensen reduction. Here Clemmensen reduction occur. So reduction of this benzoyl propanoic acid leads to the 4-phenyl butanoic acid. What happens in this step? Clemmensen reduction of this carbonyl group leads to the formation of methylene group, CH2 group. Right? So simply reduction of this ketonic group, CO group, occur into the CH2 methylene group. Other part of the molecule remain as such. Other groups and atoms remain as such. Only this carbonyl group is reduced to the methylene group, that is CH2 group, and form the 4-phenyl butanoic acid. Right? Now this 4-phenyl butanoic acid is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, and that will lead to the cyclization, right? Here cyclization occur and form the alpha tetralone. Simultaneously it loses the water molecule. Here how water molecule is removed? Here from the benzene, from this carbon at which this CH2 group is attached, or this one is carbonyl group of carboxylic is attached. From that carbon hydrogen is removed from here, and from the carboxylic acid group OH minus group is removed, right? So H plus from benzene and OH minus from this carboxylic acid group form the water molecule, and here OH group is loose, that's why carbonyl carbon acquire the positive charge and ring carbon acquire the negative charge because of loss of proton, right? So this carbonyl group easily attach on the negatively charged ring carbon and form cyclic structure, that is alpha tetralone, right? Now next, this alpha tetralone is reduced to the tetraline, right? That is nothing but the tetrahydronaphthalene, also known as the tetrahydronaphthalene, right? In presence of zinc amalgam and hydrochloric acid, that is again Clemmensen reduction, right? So here also carbonyl group, CO group, carbonyl group is reduced to the methylene group, CH2 group, right? And form tetraline, or you can also say tetrahydronaphthalene, right? Now again this tetraline on dehydrogenation with selenium produces naphthalene, right? Dehydrogenation occur, that's why from this tetrahydro ring 4 hydrogen atom lost, or 2 molecule of hydrogen gets lost and form the pi bond, 2 pi bond, right? And form naphthalene, right? So it is the Haworth synthesis. It is very important in point of view examination also, right? So simply first of all, benzene undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation with succinic anhydride in presence of aluminum chloride and form 3-benzoyl propanoic acid, right? This 3-benzoyl propanoic acid undergoes Clemmensen reduction, and carbonyl group of this 3-benzoyl propanoic acid reduced to the methylene group and form 4-phenyl butanoic acid. 4-phenyl butanoic acid is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, right? That's why it undergoes cyclization and loses water molecule and forms cyclic product alpha tetralone. This alpha tetralone undergoes reduction with the help of zinc amalgam and hydrochloric acid and form tetraline. Here also carbonyl group is reduced to the methylene group. Finally, tetraline undergoes dehydrogenation with the help of selenium and form naphthalene molecule. Next one is fitting reaction. 4-phenyl-but3-enoic acid, right? To the phenyl ring butanoic acid is attached. Butanoic acid, that means in butanoic acid one unsaturation is present. That's why butanoic acid, right? So in butanoic acid at third carbon double bond is present. That's why but-3-enoic acid, right? 3-enoic indicate position of double bond, right? And 4-phenyl. So on fourth carbon of butanoic acid, phenyl ring is present, right? That's why 4-phenyl but-3-enoic acid, right? When this molecule is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, right? So it loses the water molecule and form alpha naphthol. Primarily it form this tetralone molecule. On reduction it form the alpha naphthol, right? It is in the form of ketoenol tautomerism form, right? So form the alpha naphthol. On heating with zinc dust, alpha naphthol produces the naphthalene, right? So it is the fitting reaction, or also it is known as the synthesis of naphthol from 4-phenyl but-3-enoic acid. Next one is from 4-phenyl but-1-ene. 4-phenyl but-1-ene is passed over red hot calcium oxide and it will form the naphthalene, right? Simply when this 4-phenyl but-1-ene is passed over the red hot calcium oxide, then it will form the naphthalene molecule, right? So these are the synthesis of the naphthalene. First one is Haber synthesis, second one is fitting reaction, and fourth one is from 4-phenyl butene. Then different chemical reactions of naphthalene. Naphthalene perform different chemical reactions, for example oxidation, reduction, addition reaction, as well as electrophilic substitution reactions. So let's see one by one reaction. First one is oxidation of naphthalene. When naphthalene undergoes oxidation reaction in presence of different oxidizing agent, then it will form the different product. Here examples of oxidation reaction for naphthalene are given. First, when naphthalene undergoes oxidation reaction in presence of KMnO4, that is potassium permanganate, in acidic medium, then it will form the phthalic acid, right? Form the phthalic acid. Here this ring is broken down and converted into 2-carboxylic acid group, right? Now when this naphthalene undergoes oxidation reaction in presence of potassium permanganate in basic medium, then it will form the phthalonic acid, right? So oxidation in presence of KMnO4 produces the different product according to the reaction condition or reaction medium, right? In acidic medium, reduction with KMnO4 form the phthalic acid, and in basic medium, reduction of naphthalene with KMnO4 form the phthalonic acid. Next, naphthalene in presence of chronic acid reduced to the 1,4-naphthaquinone, right? In presence of chronic acid, naphthalene is oxidized to the 1,4-naphthaquinone. Next, when oxidation of naphthalene is carried out in presence of ozone, that is O3, and zinc and water molecule, then it undergoes the ozonolysis and form phthalaldehyde, right? 2 aldehyde group are formed by lysis of the ring, right? So it forms the phthalaldehyde. Next, naphthalene undergoes the oxidation reaction in presence of sulfuric acid and mercuric sulfate, right? HgSO4. Then it will produce the phthalic anhydride, right? So there are different 5 oxidative product or oxidizing product after the oxidation of naphthalene can be obtained with different oxidizing agent and reaction condition, right? So again repeat, naphthalene in presence of KMnO4 in acidic medium form phthalic acid and in basic medium form phthalonic acid. Naphthalene is oxidized with chronic acid to the 1,4-naphthaquinone. On ozonolysis with ozone, zinc and water molecule, naphthalene can be converted into phthalaldehyde. Right? Again, naphthalene is oxidized in presence of sulfuric acid and mercuric sulfate to the phthalic anhydride. Then different reduction reactions of the naphthalene. Here also again same as like oxidation reaction, naphthalene produces the different reducing product according to the reducing agent. Naphthalene undergoes reduction with the help of hydrogen gas and nickel catalyst, that is catalytic reduction or catalytic hydrogenation, and form tetralene, right, in which 2 pi bond of this ring is saturated with the help of hydrogen gas and form the tetralene. Again, further reduction or catalytic reduction of the tetralene undergoes the hydrogenation of this ring and form the fully saturated decalene ring, which is in trans form, right? Then that means these both hydrogen atoms, trans and cis, that means trans means both hydrogen atoms which are present at the fused carbon on the decalene ring are in the different plane. One is the above the plane, one is the below the plane, or you can say one is nearer to the viewer and another is the far from viewer. Then reduction of naphthalene in presence of sodium and ethanol, that is chemical reduction, that will lead to the formation of 1,4-dihydrodialene, right? One pi bond is saturated with the help of this chemical reduction. Again, naphthalene can be reduced with the help of hydrogen gas and platinum as catalyst. Then it produces the decalene ring with cis conformation. Right? Cis and trans are one type of optical conformation of isomers or their conformations. Right? So naphthalene on hydrogenation with nickel as a catalyst form decalene in trans configuration, and naphthalene on hydrogenation with platinum as a catalyst form the decalene with cis configuration, right? Then naphthalene presence of sodium and isopentanol form the tetralene molecule, right? So these are the different reduction reactions of the naphthalene. Then addition reaction of naphthalene, right? As we know that benzene ring or aromatic ring not easily undergo the addition reaction. Here the addition of bromine to the naphthalene gives the naphthalene dibromide, right, which is the 1,4-dibromo addition reaction. Right. Further addition of the bromine results in the formation of naphthalene tetrabromide, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means first addition of the halogen atom occur at first and fourth position. After further halogenation from the tetra halo addition product, which is at the 1, 2, 3, 4th position. Right. So now chloride also gives diene tetrachlorides, right? In the addition of halogens, all the atoms of bromine and chlorine add to the same ring of naphthalene, right? Not on another ring. Only this reaction occur on the one ring or same ring only, right? Further halogenation of this diode tetra halo addition product, naphthalene halides results in the formation of substituted halonaphthalene derivatives, right, which on oxidation gives the phthalic acid, right? So this addition reaction occur only on the first ring of this naphthalene molecule, right, and form the halogenated product. Next one is electrophilic substitution reactions of naphthalene, right? So these are in naphthalene, electrophile attack preferably at C1 first position, right, that is on alpha carbon. In the various electrophilic substitution reactions are like nitration, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation and sulfonation. Let's see one by one electrophilic substitution reactions of naphthalene. First one is nitration. Naphthalene undergo nitration reaction with the help of nitric acid and form 1-nitronaphthalene. This 1-nitronaphthalene reduced to the 1-methylamine, or you can simply nitro group is reduced to the amine group NH2 group with the help of iron and hydrochloric acid. Now this 1-methylamine undergoes the acid hydrolysis and form 1-naphthol, right? Now 1-nitronaphthalene can be also converted into chloroderivative with the help of phosphorus pentachloride and form 1-chloronaphthalene, right? So simply first nitration reaction include nitration of naphthalene ring with the help of nitric acid and form 1-nitronaphthalene. As I said that electrophile attack occur on the first carbon atom, right? So it form the 1-nitronaphthalene. Now this 1-nitronaphthalene can be converted into 1-naphthylamine and 1-naphthol as well as 1-chloronaphthalate. Next one is halogenation. Naphthalene in the presence of iron as catalyst react with halogen to form one substituted naphthalene as a major product. Again, this will produce the product can be carried out in different conditions. For example, naphthalene undergoes bromination with the help of iron, and in presence of carbon tetrachloride it will form the 1-bromonaphthalene. Naphthalene undergoes chlorination in presence of Cl2 chlorine and iron as catalyst, it will form the 1-chloronaphthalene. Then Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Naphthalene undergoes the Friedel-Crafts alkylation with the help of methyl iodide as an alkylating agent and aluminum chloride as a catalyst and form mixture of two products, 1-methylnaphthalene and 2-methylnaphthalene. But one substituted derivative is the major product. So 1-methylnaphthalene is major product in mixture. Naphthalene can also undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation with the help of ethyl bromide as a alkylating agent and AlCl3 as a catalyst, and it will form the 2-methylnaphthalene, which is minor product. Then another example of Friedel-Crafts alkylation, naphthalene react with propyl bromide in presence of aluminum chloride and form 2-isopropyl naphthalene, right? Here it is not produce the 2-propyl naphthalene, right? Because propyl cation undergoes the rearrangement and form the most stable secondary carbocation, right? And form the isopropyl naphthalene. Then Friedel-Crafts acylation. Naphthalene undergoes the Friedel-Crafts acylation with the help of acid chloride, that is acetyl chloride CH3COCl in presence of AlCl3 and in non-polar solvent, that is carbon sulfide, form methyl 1-naphthyl ketone, right? And in presence of polar solvent, that is nitrobenzene, it will form the methyl 2-naphthyl ketone, right? Then sulfonation, again sulfonation of naphthalene produces the temperature dependent product. When this sulfonation is carried out in less than 80 degrees Celsius temperature, then it will form the naphthalene 1-sulfonic acid. When this sulfonation of naphthalene is carried out in high temperature, that is at greater than 120 degrees Celsius, then it will form the naphthalene 2-sulfonic acid. Then medicinal uses of naphthalene. These are the different uses for naphthalene. Naphthalene and its derivatives can be used in different conditions. First one is in production of phthalic anhydride, then in synthesis of many 920 dyes, then carbaryl drugs that contain the naphthalene moiety, it is used as insecticides. Then naloxone drug, which is beta blocker and useful in the management of the hypertension. Then sulfonated naphthalene is used as surfactant. Then low volatility solvents, derivatives of the naphthalene can be used as low volatility solvents, right? Then naphthalene sulfonic acid derivative are used to make plasticizers, dispersants in synthetic and natural rubbers, then tanning agent in leather industries and in agriculture formulations. Then molten naphthalene is used to solubilize the poorly soluble aromatic compounds. In household, naphthalene is used as fumigant. Naphthalene and its alkyl homologues are used for formation of creosol, which is carbonious chemicals, which is used as antiseptics and preservatives. Then naphthalene is used in production of polyethylene naphthalene for making plastic beer bottles. Naphthalene is also used in veterinary medicine, in dusting powders, and internally as an intestinal antiseptic and vermicide. Naphthalene drugs acts well in curing the cough, urine infection, eyes trouble and fever. Right? So here naphthalene is completed. It includes the introduction about naphthalene, then nomenclature of naphthalene derivatives, then synthesis of naphthalene, different reactions of naphthalene and medicinal uses of naphthalene. Thank you.